Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix RedotPay identity verification rejected. All right, so let's begin with the video. If your verification keeps failing, there's no need to worry because you can reset it and try again. First, double check that all your details are correct. Make sure the documents you uploaded and your facial scan match clearly and are accurate. If everything looks correct, but the verification still fails, you can follow a few steps to resolve the issue. Start by going to your RedotPay profile at top left and copy your ID, which is displayed at the top next to your name. Then tap on this support section at the top right. From there, navigate to the account section and select the option that explains why identity verification may fail. Read through the information provided to understand the common reasons behind verification issues. If the problem still isn't resolved, go back and click on the option to chat with us. Here, submit a support ticket explaining your issue. Once submitted, the RedotPay support team should review your case and help you fix the problem as quickly as possible. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix RedotPay identity verification rejected. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.